Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a powerhouse pre-workout that's been gaining a lot of attention, the Alpha Lion Core pre-workout powder. This one's packed with creatine, designed to boost performance, energy, and focus in the gym. So, if you're looking to take your workouts to the next level, stay tuned. Let's start with what's inside. Alpha Lion has loaded this formula with ingredients that are all about performance and power. Here's a quick rundown of the key ingredients and what they do. Creatine monohydrate, known for its muscle strengthening benefits. Creatine helps in boosting power output and is ideal for improving performance. Beta-alanine, great for endurance. This amino acid helps delay muscle fatigue, so you can push harder for longer. Caffeine and other stimulants, a solid dose of caffeine for that needed energy boost, combined with other focus-enhancing ingredients to keep you dialed in during workouts. L-citrulline helps increase blood flow, giving you better pumps and enhancing overall circulation. So, why is Alpha Lion Core pre-workout worth considering? Let's talk benefits. Boosts performance. With creatine in the mix, this pre-workout is all about strength and power, helping you lift heavier and hit those new personal records. Endurance and stamina. Thanks to beta-alanine, you're less likely to experience early fatigue, so you can grind through even the toughest workouts. Enhanced focus and energy. The combination of caffeine and other nootropic ingredients really helps with mental clarity and energy. I've noticed a definite improvement in staying focused and energized throughout my sessions. Intense pumps. Thanks to L-citrulline, your blood flow is on point, which gives a fuller, pumped-up look while you're lifting. Let's quickly talk about the taste and mixability, two things that can make or break a pre-workout. Alpha Lion has nailed the flavors on this one. Whether you're into fruity or tropical flavors, they have some great options. It mixes pretty well, too, no clumping or chalky texture, which is always a plus. Alright, let's talk usage and my experience. I recommend taking this about 20-30 minutes before hitting the gym. I've been using Alpha Lion Core for a few weeks now, and I have to say, the performance benefits are real. From boosted energy to better endurance, I feel like I can push myself harder, especially on high-intensity days. Strong performance and endurance support clean energy and focus boost, tastes great and mixes well overall. If you're looking for a pre-workout that's focused on real performance benefits, Alpha Lion Core is definitely worth a try. Between the creatine, energy boosters, and endurance ingredients, it really covers all the bases. If you're looking for more energy and power in the gym, this could be the one for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and let me know in the comments if you've tried Alpha Lion Core or if you have any other pre-workouts you want me to review next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.